Hello. You must be curious. The electric welding machine we usually use, how is it produced? And I'm going to reveal it to you today. How about now? We came to the manufacturer of Tribet electric welding machine. Follow my camera. Let's take a look together. The Tribet factory has 4 floors in total. On the first floor, this is for casing production. It's made out of thickened iron. And then finally, it's laser cut and stamped. To punching, riveting, bending. Finally, the silk screen printing is processed by yourself. This is the work-in-progress warehouse on the 3rd floor. All components used in electric welding machines. It's all here. It is understood that the types of raw materials in this warehouse, there are more than 5,000. It uses a lot of raw materials. Tribet circuit boards are all produced by itself. Here are the patches and plugins. Precision components on circuit boards are operated by these 2 high-end machines. At the same time, the completion of our machine is very precise. How is the manual plug-in done? Here is the manual plug-in. Some large components, all kinds of capacitors and resistors are completed by manual plug-ins. Then tin is fixed through this wave soldering. Achieve the effect of stabilizing components. Our main board. Go through the insulation paint again here. Just dry it at the end. Tribet welding machine main transformer. It's homegrown. It's all copper. Handmade. The 4th floor is our assembly workshop. All the raw materials will be gathered here. After assembly line processing and molding. Now here is the withstand voltage test. Test machine input and output. Is there any leakage to the case? At the same time, check whether the outer film of the transformer is damaged. This is the commissioning session. The machine is here. According to the parameters given by the engineering department, adjust the voltage and current of the machine, thrust current and other related data. After debugging, go to the roaster here. Here is the ultimate power of the machine tested. Under the condition of maximum current voltage, simulate the working state of the machine. Test the performance and endurance of machine components. The last step is to test the welding. Test machine to 120 volts and 380 volts. Arcing reaction under normal pressure, low pressure and high pressure. After all tests are completed, it can be packaged and put into storage. This is the finished product warehouse. All the machines that are produced and ready to be shipped are here. There is Tribet's own brand here. Own machine. Machines exported abroad. It's all sent from here. Now we come to the after-sales department. Faulty machines across the country, except for part. Handled at the local office. The rest will come back here. The after-sales department has only 5 employees. This is also saying the failure rate of Tribet welders is extremely low. Hello, friends. Tribet has been established since its establishment. It's been over a decade. In the past 10 years or so, Tribet people keep trying. Continuous innovation. And we're now a manufacturer of everything in the welding industry. We now have advanced board production workshop, production line, sheet metal workshop, transformer production workshop, assembly workshop. The company has successively launched in the industry. Portable steel bar butt welding machine, gas-shielded welding lithium battery welding machine without gas, portable engineering machine and other products. Tribet is a manufacturer of through-flow welders. We develop quality and continuously innovate. Provide excellent products for the majority of users.